Next up is a modified double leg bridge. So this is a progression from the standard double leg bridge with a little bit more demand on one leg. So we're gonna bias this. So it's a bit of an asymmetric exercise. So I'm gonna target my right leg. So to do that, if you were in the standard bridge position here, my targeted leg is gonna stay where it's at. The other leg is gonna actually straighten out. So that's gonna reduce the demand on this leg and increase the demand on this target leg. And what you can do is play around with how far your knee is bent or extended to kind of zero in on what this can control and tolerate. So ultimately, if you had your leg fully straightened out, that would increase the demand. If your knee was more bent, that's gonna reduce the demand on this leg. So play around with it. But I'm just gonna start midway through. All right, I'm driving my heels down into the table, really looking to initiate and squeeze this glute muscle, my butt muscle here. I'm gonna drive my heel through, trying to really focus on this leg. This is my target leg, up as high as I can control, and down slow. Back up, squeeze, try to minimize any arching of your back. You should feel it mostly from this glute here. Squeeze, contract that muscle as hard as you comfortably can. Nice and slow on the way back down.